Hello, we're at 2245 Larkin Street, and we have a gorgeous studio apartment for rent. We are located on Larkin at Union in prime Russian Hill. Okay, coming in the lobby door here. I have it propped open for this video. There's a telephone entry system. Once you come into the lobby, you'll see the mailboxes are located here inside. This apartment is on lobby level. Apartment 2. So when you step in the front door of the unit, you're in a little entry foyer. Then it opens up into the main room of the studio. We have an electric wall-mounted heater that is brand new. Hardwood floors throughout this unit, with the exception of the kitchen and bathroom. Here we have the dining area. Okay, black granite countertops, wood cabinets, tile floor here in the kitchen, and we have a gas range and a fridge. And here we are looking back at the dining area. Passing back through the main room, you'll see the unit gets really nice natural light. We are facing south here in terms of exposure. And this apartment is located on the passageway between this building and the building next door. Then have a nice big closet area. There's some shelves and bars to hang things. This door does open between here and the foyer. So you can get into the closet from the foyer side or from this open doorway on this side. And then it passes through to the bathroom. Have a shower over tub, pedestal sink, original tile floor here in the bathroom, and a mirrored medicine chest. Hi, everybody. Okay, and then this opens up and there's storage inside. Oh, other side. There we go. Okay. So that is a quick look at the unit. Please don't apply based on the video alone. We do want you to come visit the property. That way you can see the apartment and also check out the neighborhood. Also, please note that this building does have shared washer dryer, 2 washers, 2 dryers, and it operates off of an app called ShinePay so that you don't have to scrounge for quarters. And to get to the laundry, you pass through this exit door and down 1 flight of stairs and you're right there, okay? This has been 2245 Larkin, Apartment 2. Thanks for watching.